So in the undercarriage, you'll find 3 separate components. First one's gonna be the gray tank, the Sumo Springs in the rear, and heating pads. I'm gonna show you where the gray tank is actually located. It's gonna be right under here, underneath the chassis. You will literally see a gray tank. There are also heating components. There are heating pads that we install around it to fully equip you for a 4 seasons capability. All right guys, so now let's get into Sumo Springs and the purpose they actually serve. We equip all our Noovo builds with them. So to start off, we actually purchased the chassis with what's called heavy duty suspension. That's not enough for us after the build. So what we do is we install them in the rear. The reason we don't do it in the front, it actually creates too stiff of a ride. So in the rear, the whole purpose of it is to make the ride more stable and smooth. So those will actually just be found right behind the tire.